So I'm on Vector Studio. So now let's select the shape tool, left click, select the rectangle tool, and now hold shift key down, then trace to create a perfect square. So here it is. Now I'm going to remove the fill. So left click here, click on this icon to remove the fill. And now double click here, I'm going to add the 1 point outline, type 1, press enter. And now let's select the move tool. And now Ctrl J to duplicate the shape here. So now make sure the snapping here is checked. So if I left click here, so here are the features I checked. So now select the duplicated shape, hold shift key down and then move it to the right. It will move it on a straight line. Move it until it snaps here. So here it is, and now just hold the Control key and the J key down to create duplicates that are on the same distance as this one. This will use Affinity Power Duplicate feature. So just hold the Control key and the J key down. So now I have created 5 squares here, so I'm just going to select them, make sure on the Move tool, select them. And now Control J to duplicate all the shapes. And now just as before, hold Shift key down and this time move them down until they snap here. So here it is, and now just as before, hold the Control key and the J key down and then create duplicates. So as you can see, I need the same number of squares horizontally and then vertically. So now let's select the pen tool, left click, select the pen tool. So as you can see, it doesn't have a fill and it has a 1 point outline. So now I'm just going to left click up here. So as you can see, it snaps, left click, and then left click on this edge here. So here it is, we created the line here. So now let's select the move tool. So now I'm just going to select all the shapes. I'm just going to center these shapes here. So here it is. And now let's select the shape builder tool, left click, select shape builder. The action is plus to create new shape from selected areas. Drag me to this freehand. So for the cleanup, I'm just going to change it to all unused geometry. So this will keep only the shape we select. I check the use style from selected area. So now I'm just going to start my shape from here, not from here, from here. And then drag. So here it is. And then I'm going to select this little rectangle here, this one here. So here it is, this is the shape we want. So now I'm just going to add the gradient to this shape here. So now let's select the fill tool. The context is fill. I'm going to change the type to linear. So I'm going to move this handle here to the top here. I'm going to change it, for example, to blue. And then I'm going to move this handle here of the fill tool to the bottom here. I'm going to change it to black. And now let's select the move tool and now Control J to duplicate your layer. And now hold shift key down and then rotate your layer from this handle here to 90 degrees. So now I'm just going to move it here like this. So as you can see, it snaps. So now I'm just going to select it and then use the right arrow key on my keyboard to move it by 1 pixel. So here I think it is good. So now I'm just going to select all the shapes, Control J to duplicate them. And now hold Shift key down and then rotate it from this handle to minus 90 degrees. And now just hold Shift key down and then move it down. So I'm just going to left click outside. So here it is. So now I'm just going to select this one here. So I'm just going to center it. So now I'm just going to select all shapes, click on group to group them. And now here you can add or remove the outline. And then I'm just going to add the contour to fill these blank spaces here. Just select the contour tool. I'm just going to add the 1 point radius. Press 1 and then press enter. So here it is. And now let's select the move tool.